Hello, I am playing Paper Rail in this small map, and right now I somehow didn't die. Never mind, I died. I'm a god. I will upload this to YouTube once this reaches like 2 minutes. I died again. I am so good. Just gonna die. Why am I so bad at this game? Can my life? Oh, this guy. Oh, what? What the? How did he or she survive? The Duchess? Does she? Never mind. She's dead. Let's go. First kill in the pocket. Right, he's dead. I think that was a he. I don't know. Why do I look like poo? Okay, that guy's dead. Okay. Gonna sneak on the wall. Okay, I died. The prince. The holy prince. Bow down to the prince. My name's M. Yes, it's a beautiful name. M. Nah! Okay. This little video of me epic fails will end. I mean, at least I got one kill. Oh, holy! Okay. Oh, you wanna go, bro? You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? Ah, what the? How did he get over there? Okay, and I get an ad. I'm not gonna edit this out because I don't know how to. This is like my first video I've ever made. Thanks. Just gonna nom. Oh, no! Don't kill him! Okay. Pizza died. Heart did not die. I'm playing on laptop, so the controls on the mouse, whatever it's called, pad, whatever, it's really hard to use. Sometimes the cursor doesn't move. Okay, well that will end this video. Funny fail montage. Bye.